Hey, BIM 1 students, this is Mr. Colbert. We're going to be working with lesson 7.13. We're going to be working specifically with accounting formatting in this exercise. I've done most of the typing using the default font and size for this version of Excel, which is Calibri 11 point. And they want us to resize all columns so that all of the data is displayed. I did leave a little bit of typing out, and that is this number that goes down column A. The rank goes from 10 to 1 in kind of a descending order. So anytime you have a series like this, you want to put in the first two of the series, so 10 and 9, and that establishes like how far down each step goes. And I'm going to highlight and drag it down. Okay, so let me do that again so you can see it. So we established the first two steps in the series, highlight those two, and then you're going to click on this little guy, this little dot in the corner of the selection. That's called the fill handle. Click and drag. Okay, so and that's just a little bit quicker than typing those numbers. So I wanted to show you that. It's not earth-shattering, but it is a nice little trick to have in your toolbox when you need it. Okay, so we're going to save this file, and I'm going to save it on this laptop's documents. If you were in the school, you would save it in the H drive on the school network. So let's see, flights, like so. We're going to change the font size and the title of A1 to 20 point. Oh, no, 50 point, not 20 point. A little bit of a difference. And we are going to merge and center cell A1 across A through E. Okay, that looks a little bit weird because columns A through E that's just not quite enough room. You can see it cuts off the S and cuts off a little bit of the T, but we're going to widen these columns so when all is said and done, it'll look more normal. Okay, so merge and center. Okay, we've done that. We're going to bold these column headings. And we are going to center align column A. So we'll select the entire column, hit center. We're going to right align cell E3. And we're going to format the width of column E to 25. So we're going to select the entire column. And when they give you a specific column width, this is going to be different than like auto-fitting the column. So we go to Home, Cells, Format, and we'll come down to column width, and we'll put that in to 25. So they want cells E4 to E13 to be formatted in accounting format. So we've got those cells highlighted. We'll go to the Home ribbon, the number group, and we'll come down to accounting. And you can see in accounting, the $ is at the left side of the column, and the number is going to be at the right side. They want us to display 2 decimal places, and that's the default, so we don't have to change anything. We are going to center align column D. Let's see. Oh, one thing I forgot to do is I forgot to auto-fit all of these. So I'm going to select the entire worksheet, go to Format and Auto-Fit Column. And I'm going to go back and reset that column E to 25. So, okay, so centerline column D. Okay, then we go into the page layout settings. They want this to be centered both horizontally and vertically. So we're going to do that drop down, custom margins, horizontal and vertical. We want the grid lines to print, and we want to adjust this so that it prints on one page. So that's going to be page layout, scale to fit, 1 page wide by 1 page tall. And this is what that will look like if you were to print it. So we'll go to File and Print, and you can see that print preview right here. One more thing I forgot to add. Let's do a name. Like so. So that's what that would look like. So that's lesson 713. And holler if you need any help. Email me, actually, rather than hollering. Thank you.